Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the silver price has moved in the last month and how the silver price can move in the next month. If you look at this chart, what you can see that the silver price if we take from mid-May, it is continuously in the downtrend. Okay, before that in between at this point. Okay, and you have to remember that this is a strong support which is around 23.80. okay, as of now it will be a resistance if the price of silver moves up. Okay, so now keep this in mind. If the price goes above this level 23.80, then we can see yes, the price of silver started moving in an upside. Before that I have to explain you few things from 2021, that the price of silver was moving in this particular range for 3-4 months, and after that, after making a low at this point, it has tried to move up. If you look at this particular range, you will see gold, crude and silver all have made a high at this level, and from there we have seen a profit booking in all the three commodities. Okay, so now as of now what we can see here, that the trend of the silver is continuously down if we look at from after May, okay, around from June. Okay, so as of now what we can see. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how the silver price is moving and its technical thing. Okay, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See, as of now we can see a strong support at around strong 21.575. keep this in mind because it is already tested twice. Okay, 21.575, keep this in mind. This is a strong support which is already tested twice. Okay, as of now you have to understand one thing. If the price comes close to this level, okay, suppose if the price comes close to around 21.7, then there is a high probability that if it crosses this level, then chances will be very high that it can go and touch a level of 21.230. and suppose if it didn't sustain this level, then chances will be high that it can go and touch a level of 19.998. okay, because there will be a range breakout. Okay, there will be a range breakout which is a strong support at around 21.659. so once this level cross downside, then we can see yes, it can go further low to a level of 19.927 also, or it can go and cross a level of 19.569. okay, suppose if this level didn't sustain, then it can go to a level of 19.031 also, and then it can move in this particular range. Okay, as of now we can see in the price of silver in the downtrend. Okay, suppose if the price of silver didn't go below a level of 21.4, or suppose if it didn't go below a level of, now it is trading at 22.226. suppose if it didn't go at this level, it didn't go below this level of around 22, so there is a probability it can touch a level of 22.435. and suppose if this sustain this level, then we can see yes, it can go and touch a level of 22.793. okay, and suppose if this level sustain, then there is a probability that it can go and touch a level of 23.211. okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, then there will be high probability that it can go and touch a level of 23.629. and if this level sustain above this level, because if it goes above this level, then we can see that it can go and touch a level of 24, which is already got tested twice, so chances will be very high it can go up more upside and can touch a level of 24.405. suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see yes, it can go and touch a level of 24.922, and from there we can see a level of 25.669. okay, and if the price goes more above this level, see, suppose if the price comes close to this level, we have seen this, it is already tested twice here, so chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 26.890, which is also tested twice, so chances are high it can go further high to a level of 27.447, and if it crosses the level of 25.949, then we can see yes, the trend of silver has changed to an bullish side, and then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 28 also, and we can see more upside thing. But what you have to remember one thing, suppose if you are making a profit of, suppose now it is at around 22, if it goes to around 22.5, I'm just giving you an example, if it is at 22, now it is you have bought it at this level and the price has comes down to 22.5, that means you are in a profit of 0.5. your quantity can be XYZ. Suppose this 0.5 comes down to 0.35, exit the trade for the day, because it is very important, if you are in profit, exit in profit. Okay, if you are in loss, then set a limit for that particular loss, so that if you trade next day, you should not feel the burden of, suppose $50 does not make you feel that yes, it's a burden to take it for the next day, or $100, even 500, whatever your comfort zone for the loss is. Okay, so any doubt you can mail me. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.